I'm David Parker. I'm the inventor of a patent titled Method for Locating an Underground Septic Tank, Conduit, or the like, using injection and detection synchronization of an acoustic signal and digital signal processing. This idea sprang from a need to locate my home septic tank. My first thought was to search the internet to see how the professionals, such as septic pumpers, go about finding them. I was somewhat surprised to find that the professional advice was more or less seat of the pants. Follow the pipe from the house, probe the yard using a hammer and a rebar. The pros use a little more sophisticated. They've got a tool that you can drive like a fence post driver, but it's basically the same principle. I later confirmed with the pumper driver that finding septic tanks was actually kind of an educated guess. They kind of anticipate where they think the plumbers would have put it and start looking and probing. Of course, being an engineer, this started me thinking of the exercise as an opportunity to find a better solution, not only for septic tank locations, but also to broaden the solution to include other allied problems, conduits, etc. I did a patent search and reviewed the relevant prior art. I searched the product literature and identified relevant companies and technologies. And then, drawing on my experience in physics, digital signal processing, instrumentation, and the patent process, I filed for this patent in 2008. The fundamental idea, which is protected by the patent claims, is to inject an acoustical signal into a cavity. You detect the vibrations of the ground excited by the acoustical signal at a synchronized probe location in contact with the ground. Then you use digital signal processing techniques to extract the detected vibrations. Then, by moving the probe around to various locations, you can locate the cavity. I won't go into the digital signal processing aspect of it here, but it's fully disclosed in the patent specification. Applications include locating septic tanks, distribution boxes, and field lines, of course. But possibly more important, I found, was the use of PVC pipe for gas distribution and water lines is a significant problem for the industry. And I believe this would be a useful tool for that purpose. The end users would be like septic services, utility companies, contractors, surveyors, equipment rental agencies, and so forth. So my intent is to sell the patent to someone that can put together an engineering, software, manufacturing, and marketing team to either expand an existing product line or start a new company. Of course, I'll be happy to answer your questions in more detail if invited to the event. And additional details are available in the patent and on our website. In particular, see the items under the Interesting Links tab on the website. This has a lot of product literature and so forth. Thank you.